Come inside and get an exclusive sneak peek to find out what makes this floor plan so exciting. Hi, I'm Matt Green, District Sales Manager for Springdale here at Keystone RV. Today, I'm standing in front of the brand new, never seen before, 2023 Springdale 286BHU is an exciting addition to the Springdale lineup. Come inside and get an exclusive sneak peek to find out what makes this floor plan so exciting. Starting in the rear of the coach, your eyes immediately gravitate towards the awesome bunk setup for the kids. This double over double bunk system is completely different from anything that we have in our current lineup. With the ability to flip up the bottom bunk and the large rear cargo door, this space also doubles as great storage for bikes, sleeping bags, or even a generator. Both bunks have their own window and outlet so that the kids can keep their electronics close by and have window ventilation on a cool summer night. Next to the bunks, a good sized wardrobe for clothes or extra blankets. In front of the bunk, you'll notice our new theater seats, which pair well with the large U-shaped dinette for cross-conversational seating. USB outlets are scattered in important places throughout the entire coach, which are great for plugging in smartphones, tablets, or any other device. We even thought about giving you a place to stow those devices when being charged with our built-in storage nets. While our attention is on this slide, I wanted to point out that our slides are carpetless, which is huge for our segment. Panning over to the entertainment center, I wanted to point out the large electric fireplace and TV that are located conveniently directly across from the dinette. Turning our attention to the kitchen, with the additional countertop space that the entertainment center provides, there's tons of prep space throughout the entire kitchen. We made sure to configure the space with as much storage as possible. It includes 3 full-size drawers and 4 large cabinets. We also took the time to think about your kitchen utensils and included a built-in knife block. Before we head to the bathroom and the bedroom, just take a quick look around to notice how large these windows are. Views are a huge reason to go camping, and we want to give you the best ones. So we made sure to give you large operable windows throughout the entire coach. Let's head into the bathroom. In the walk-through bathroom, you'll find a generous sized shower, porcelain toilet, under sink storage, and a dual-sided vinyl cabinet that opens from the bathroom and the bedroom. It's perfect for clothing or towels. Stepping into the front bedroom, you'll notice that this coach has dual entry, which is great for privacy. The residential queen-size bed has storage underneath as well, and dual wardrobes on each side. There is also a laundry chute that leads directly to the pass-through storage that gets dirty clothes off the floor. I wanted to point out just a couple things on the exterior of the 286BHU. This bunkhouse has an awesome pull-out drawer refrigerator that is really great for easy access to beverages. You'll also notice that we have solid steps on the main entrance of the coach. The exterior awning is 21 foot long and covers both entrances to the coach. Before we head to the back, there are a couple of things that I want to point out. First, on the 286BHU, it offers 50 amp service. A lot of our competitors with this similar floor plan only offer 30 amp service. This is hugely important if you want to have access to 2 ACs or you're settled with the one. And new for 2023, all Springdale models are now shipped with one Dragonfly lithium-ion battery. Let's go check out the rear storage, which is my personal favorite part of this new floor plan. In the rear of this coach is a massive rear storage door, which is actually 44 inches by 48 inches. It's a great size for storing bikes, kayaks, generators, and really anything else you can utilize while camping. This compartment also has 2 tie-downs to secure everything while rolling down the road. Thank you for checking out the brand new Springdale 286BHU. We're super excited to be showing off this floor plan. For more content, make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button below so that we can help you camp better.